I'm gonna get a quick snack. Welcome back to the life of a real king. We got action. No fluff, no puff. We got action. We rolling, so you know what that means. You see the title of the video. I was going to go handle some business. See, I had a missed call from Lens Crafters. Called them back, and they stated, your lenses are ready. The crazy thing is, I was just literally talking to my wife about the lenses. I'm like, dang, it take that long to cut them, because you know they're cutting them in-house. But we got the call like probably 10 minutes after that. I went in the house, changed clothes, trimmed my beard up a little bit, be somewhat presentable. You know, it ain't professional, but it looks better than what I was looking like. And we are rolling. It's about an hour drive, as y'all know from the other video. We'll get up there. I'll try to get some footage inside, but you know how it is when you know, when you're recording in these establishments. Hopefully they let me record some footage from the camera from the inside, which would be pretty cool. Maybe I can record and, you know, under the guise of, not really the guise, under the notion of me trying out the camera feature. But I'm about to turn these tunes on, turn this AC up, enjoy this road trip, take some time to meditate, you know, think about some things of importance, reflect on my life, reflect on my decisions that I make, to make sure that my decisions that I make are in line with what I believe, the Word of God. If you don't believe that, that's you. But my standard of being a king and living as a king is in line with the Word of God and doing things in righteousness. So we have to reflect on the decisions that we make while we're making those decisions, how they affect not only ourselves, but more so how they affect other people. You know how it goes. Just like that, we are here. Got everything we need from the last time. It's already paid for. Got our case. Our glasses would be terrible if we forgot them. Let's go ahead and see what's going on. Had to do a voiceover right here because of the copyright music. I'm checking these Oakleys out. You can see the serial number. Hopefully you can see it good. I end up purchasing these glasses. I didn't get the prescription lenses because I just didn't want to pay all that money. But what I am going to do is I'm going to order the prescription lenses from a third party online. There's another pair. The frames on these are pretty cool, different. Now I'm comparing them to the other ones. I like those better. Now let's check out the Ray-Ban section. Surprisingly, they had a very, very large selection of glasses. Maybe because their agreement they have with them, I don't know. But they had a lot of glasses, as you can see. Lots of colors, lots of styles, lots of designs. They go a red pair if you're into that new style, as it says. These are the actual Meta on display you can check out. And they even had a interactive machine, smart glasses you can try on with a little tablet that shows you the different features it has. With that being said, let's see if they got anything for us, because we didn't come for this. We came for my pair of prescription lenses. So that's them Oakleys I was talking about. See, they big, but they fit my face. I'm gonna have to get another pair because I'm not gonna be able to wear them all the time. I really don't want to. So they fit better. So we'll look around, see if they got anything else. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened too. You know they got the copyright music, so we had to do a voiceover. This is pretty cool. It was a gigantic screen that allows you to look at the different type of glasses, and it had like some type of 3D thing where it makes it look like it's on your face. I've never been in lens crafters, so this is my first time experiencing it. Don't mind the pixelation, that just from recording. Y'all know how it goes. Here she is explaining it to me. I'm asking her about the Oakleys. Did they come in different colors? Which they did. I ended up going with the black ones. I didn't want to, have to wait to order the blue ones, but I can always order the blue ones at a later date if I want to. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the lines on there, but you get the general idea. Again, she's explaining to me that it's like a 3D thing that you can go online and do, which it'll put the glasses on your face. I found that pretty cool. Finally, after about an hour waiting, we got our glasses. First time trying them on. They are extremely powerful in regards to this new prescription I have. It's like looking at stuff in 4K without looking at a 4K TV. That's the best way to explain it. All right, so we got them on. Got the bins. Give y'all the first POV view with the glasses. Let y'all check it out. Man, this prescription is strong. See the miles on it? Still gotta get that tire pressure sensor thingy fixed. But it is what it is. We check it. I just don't want to spend the money right now, I ain't gonna lie. It's like $300 to get it done the right way. Alright, so now we back in the vehicle. I got them on prescription. Yes, we put prescription lenses. Prescription lenses, which ain't nothing new, but hey. We put prescription lenses in the brand new Meta Ray-Ban. I gotta get used to this prescription because this is definitely stronger than the other one. Like, I can read stuff I couldn't read with these other glasses, but it's still a an adjustment, and the colors are brighter and clearer and crisp. It's like, whoa, 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 whoa. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna take these off and drive with the other ones, because yeah. We did buy some Oakleys, and we got them with the insurance. They end up being I think at $31. The ones we are showing you. And these would be my, most of my everyday. See the style of them, because I don't want to wear these all the time, so I need another pair. And I'm not paying no $400 for some lenses, not with these. What we'll do is we'll go online and we will order them and have them shipped to the house, and then either install them ourselves or bring it to any store, any eyeglass store, and they'll be able to do it. So let's do something cool. Let's turn the camera around. We'll put the camera on these, and let's get some point of view driving footage. I think that might be pretty cool. What y'all think? Let me know. Riding with rims, you gotta drive carefully. If you don't know how to ride no rims, don't get them. I've never bent the rim. Not saying that I can't, but I've never bent a rim. I try to avoid everything I can to bend a wheel. Most of the time it comes from people not knowing how to properly drive with them, not paying attention. I should be able to pay attention more, because these glasses are super clear. Like, good Lord. I don't trust folks, so we'll let them go first. You know how you walk in the store and you see the HD TVs? This is what this new prescription feels like. Like, my eyes have to adjust to it, because my body is like, no, this ain't what I'm used to. Your body doesn't like change. I'll tell you one thing, I can read everybody's license plate, so it was definitely due for me to get a new pair.